Dear students, Namaste. You have read chemical kinetics. All the topics are discussed. Now, see some numericals of previous year, in which first question is, for a first order reaction, so that the time required for 99% completion is twice the time required for the completion of 90% of the reaction. It is asked in 2014. Now, solution. Question is clear. Time required for 99% is just double than the time required for 90% completion. So, there are two cases. One is 99% and other is 90%. So, case first. In solution, write at first, case second. In case first, A is equal to 100 moles per liter, X is equal to 99 moles per liter, T is equal to T1, suppose, and K1 is equal to K. Case second, A is equal to 100 moles per liter, X is equal to 90 moles per liter, T is equal to T2. Time will differ. So T1, other is T2. One is T1, other is T2. But K2 is equal to K. Why K? Because rate constant of a reaction is fairly constant. No problem in it. So K1 will be equal to K and K2 is also equal to K. You have read about the expression of first order reaction, expression of K for first order reaction, that is K is equal to 2.303 by T log A by A minus X. So we can write it T1 is equal to 2.303 by K log A by A minus X, and here according to this value T1 is equal to 2.303 by K log 100 by 100 minus 99. It is equal to 2.303 by K log 100 by 1. 100 minus 99 is equal to 1. And then T1 is equal to, or T1 is equal to 2.303 by K log 10 to the power 2. Why? Log 100 will be taken log 10 to the power 2. 10 into 10, 10 to the power 2. It is equal to 2.303 by K 2 log 10. Why 2 log 10? Because it is in the form of log A to the power B is equal to B log A. So it is written 2 log 10, or T1 is equal to 2.303 by K into 2 into 1, because the value of log 10 is 1. It is equal to 4.606 by K. Now, second case, T2 is equal to 2.303 by K log 100 by 100 minus 90. X is here 90. It is equal to 2.303 by K log 100 by 10, because 100 minus 90 is equal to 10. It is equal to 2.303 by K log 10. It is equal to 2.303 by k into 1, because the value of log 10 is 1. Or T2 is equal to what? T2 is equal to 2.303 by k. Suppose it is equation 2. T1 is equal to what? 4.606 by k, equation first, and T2 is equal to 2.303 by k, it is equation 2. Now on dividing equation 1 by 2, we get, what will we get here? T1 by T2 is equal to 4.606 by k divided by 2.303 by k. It is equal to 4.606 by k into k by 2.303. Now 2.303 and 4.606 will be cut. Means it is divided by 2.303. 4.606 is divided by 2.303 in 2 times. So T1 by T2 is equal to 2, or we can say T1 by T2 is equal to 2 by 1. Means it clearly indicates that the time required for T1, means time required for the completion of 99% is just double the time required than 90%. 2T2 is 90%, T1 is time of 99%. So T1 is equal to 2T2. It is proved. Now second question. What is the second question? The rate constant for first order decomposition of H2O2 is given by the following equation. It is a decomposition of first order reaction. H2O2 decomposes into H2O plus half O2, that you have seen. So what is the equation given here? Log K is equal to 14.2 minus 1.0 into 10 to the power 14 by T K. Now calculate EA, activation energy for this reaction, and rate constant K if its half-life period be 200 minutes. So what will be calculated here? First, activation energy, and second, rate constant. Rate constant means K if its half-life is given 200 minutes. It was asked in CBSE 2016 in Delhi board. Now solution. How can you solve it? Solution first. What is given here? It is given that log K is equal to 14.2 minus 1.0 into 10 to the power 14 by T. It is given. Suppose it is equation 1. It is given. We know that from Arrhenius equation that we have read in Arrhenius chapter, log K is equal to log A minus EA by R 2.303 RT. We have read log K is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. On comparing equation 1 and 2, we get, it is clear, log K is same. Log A is equal to 14.2. There is no need of log A. And EA by 2.303 RT will be equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power 14 by T. No problem in it. And hence here log A is equal to 14.2, but there is no need of it. Now EA by 2.303 RT, because minus minus is cancelled, minus and minus is cancelled here. So EA by 2.303 RT is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power 14 by T. T and T will be cancelled, and then we get what? Then we get EA is equal to 2.303 into 8.314, that is the value of R, into 1.0 into 10 to the power 14 it is given. Or EA is equal to, after multiplying these two factors 2.303, 8.314 and 1.0, it is equal to 19.147 into 10 to the power 14. Sorry, see again here, EA is equal to 19.147 into 10 to the power 14 joule per Kelvin per mole. If it is converted into kilojoule, then you have to divide it by 10 to the power 3. So it will be equal to 191.47 into 10 to the power 10, or it is better to write 1.9147 into 10 to the power 12 kilojoule per Kelvin per mole. It is better. So you write EA is equal to 1.9147 into 10 to the power 12 kilojoule per Kelvin per mole. Now for first order reaction, we have read that half life, that is capital T, is equal to 0.693 by K. Therefore K is equal to 6.693 by T. So T is equal to 0.693 by K, and hence K is equal to 0.693 by T, and T is given. So K is equal to 0.693 by 200. It will be equal to, after dividing, 3.465 into 10 to the power minus 3 minute inverse. You have read unit, SI unit of first order reaction is second inverse. Here time is given in minute, so it will be minute inverse. No problem. So there are two answers. One answer is EA and other answer is here half life, means minute. Now third question. Third question is again important question. It is also asked in 2015 in Bihar board, Bihar CBSE. Now what is the question? The rate constant of a first order reaction increases from 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 to 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 when temperature changed from 300 Kelvin to 310 Kelvin. Calculate the energy of activation. Means at first you have to calculate energy of activation. Log 2, value of log 2 is given, that is 0.301. Value of log 3 is equal to 0.4771. Log 4 is equal to 0.602. 1 is also written. So 3 values are given, but there is no need of all the 3 values. It is only for confusion. We need only one value, that is log 2 perhaps. Now solution. What is given here? K1 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. K2 is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. It is given. K1 is here at temperature T1. T1 is 300 Kelvin and T2 is 310. R, we know that R is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. There is no need to write here unit. Now we know that from Arrhenius equation you have calculated log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 by T1 T2, and suppose it is equation 1, and then we have to place the value of all the factors given in the question. On putting the values of K1, K2, T1, T2 and R in equation 1, we get log 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. It is the value of K1 and it is the value of K2. It is equal to EA by 2.303 into 8.314, that is the value of R, is equal to into 310 minus 300 by 310 into 300, or log 2 is equal to here 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2 cancelled, and log 2 is 4. So log 2 is equal to EA by 19.147. If it is multiplied, then we get 19.147 into 10, 300 minus 310 minus 300 is equal to 10 by 93,000, or 0.301 is equal to 10 EA. Right? By 19.147 into 93,000. Why 10 EA? Because 310 minus 300 is equal to 10. EA is activation energy, or EA is equal to 0.301 into 19.147 into 93,000 by 10, or EA is equal to 53598 joule per mole. You can convert it into kilojoule also, or EA is equal to 53.598 kilojoule per mole. You can write answer in joule also or in kilojoule also, no problem in it. So 3 questions are solved by me. Rest questions you have to solve yourselves. At first, homework is given here. Solve the in-text questions of this chapter. If any problem, then ask to me. Have a nice day. Thank you.